Peace, y'all. I told you if I could get in and out of this thing a couple of times that we'd bring you a quick wrap up. So Rich just come out and I've been in and out of her twice. We did a little marking and trimming. As you can see, we took a whole bunch of this out, brought this side, which was way out here. You can see the glue from yesterday, right? This stuff here, it was way out here. We brought it back to equal this because this side here feels pretty good. This side here obviously didn't. So we took her down quicker, a little more curve to it. Opened up this big flat area for our elbows, for our arms to move. We opened it up a little wider up through here. Did the same thing over here. Just kind of projected lines and sent the thing side to side. And so this is real close to what we're going to get. We're going to fill this area here. I don't know if you can see that. This whole area. Our arm is laying right in here. It feels comfortable, but we can't have that. Like I said, we have to have at least a good 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, like we've got here. Once I grind in here and get that flat, that'll be a good 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch right down in here, 3/4 everywhere else. We got to have that here, so we'll just build this up with a little clay. We'll transition it from here right on up into the top here. Now what we've done up here is really, like we said, this is our 4 inches down, like I showed you in that last video with that riser from the old seat, the old headrest riser. We fit pretty good up to here, from here up, big gap. So we're going to add a bunch of clay to the top. We're not going to get too crazy trying to come over top of our shoulders or anything like that. Just the height is good, so we're going to utilize it. We'll add clay up the top of here and here. Roll it in just a bit. Looks good. Plenty of clearance in here for the neck where you see the X. No clay there. Yeah, and then we'll just pack it all in and fill it all in. What we found is I opened it up quite a bit when we were, trying to smooth it all out and contour that surface, right? And you got to understand, we're laying glass on the inside of this. So whatever I'm feeling today laying in here is going to be tighter when I sit in the seat, because the thickness of the seat on this side and this side is going to bring it that much tighter everywhere. So we've got good gappage, good room, good amount of room in here, a little extra room in here. What we did is we took a piece of this padding here, this, I don't know what the stuff is, but man, we put this in here, right down at the bottom, like so. And then we put our piece of black padding, which is our about 1/2 inch padding or so, just to simulate pad on the surface, and laid in here with the helmet on. And man, this I felt like laying on your couch, man. It was pretty comfy. What I am finding is this flat bottom seat hurts my back. It hurts just to lay on it without having that little bit of support. So what I'll probably do is take some of this stuff and build it up and do exactly what we did here. I'll end up gluing it in here to the seat itself after I grind and form it, give me a little lumbar to hold because my spine wants to just drop right down flat, and it can't do that. It can't do that, not with the rods and the screws in there holding everything in the position it was in when the doc hooked me up. So I told Rich that he kind of knows that the days of us, me anyways, driving these laydown karts are numbered at this point. It just hurts. It just hurts to get up out of this thing now. Just having him lift me up out of here, right off the ground, was painful. So, and we're getting older, man. We're getting older. I'm 7 years past the time Dad stopped. He had the heart attack and the open heart surgery at like 50, I think. And he was done, 51, 52. He was done with the go-karts. So, we got those other projects. We got those sprint karts, the sit-up karts, getting out of something like that. We're already kind of sitting up. So, maybe not so bad. But if I were to be laying flat down on the ground and working underneath the trailer, or underneath the pickup truck, or whatever, I would still have to roll. I got to roll onto all fours and then get up. It's just laying flat down, just like laying in bed when you're sleeping at night. When I get up in the morning, I lift my knees up as high as I can. I extend my legs and I throw my feet forward off the side of the bed, and that's how I get it, because I can't just sit up. Again, it's not because I'm fat. It's because of what's going on with my spine and the hardware that's back there keeping you from moving. And when you try to move in a way that metal won't allow your bones to move now, it causes pain. It's painful. So, moving along, this will probably be the last of the lay-down seats we ever do. But we're going to do a good job. We want to be sure that we got a good piece for that cart. And I've told a few people just this week, that go-kart being very special to me. Got it from Scott. Super fast go-kart. I mean, the go-kart itself is fast, besides the motor. The first time we drove that go-kart, we went 4 seconds faster than we'd ever gone at Mid-Ohio in 2 other go-karts, our own cart and an Emic, with the same engine on all 3 carts. So that's a testament to the builder and the design of the chassis. And I'll never get rid of that go-kart. There's no amount of money anybody could offer me to buy that go-kart, even if I can't drive it no more. I'll put it on the wall in the garage right next to the RPM banner. We'll keep it forever. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. It's paid for, it's mine. I'm never giving it up. So there you go. Well, if anything, like I said, I've told some people this week, if the world is allowed to continue and hell and high water doesn't come and we're not headed to disaster and world calamity and starvation and all the things that people in the world out there are talking about, then we'll keep that go-kart, and we'll do once a year. We'll go to Daytona, because that'll be the only place it'll be worth renting. Other than that, we'll play with the stuff that we got. The 250, it's more sit-up kind of cart. Obviously, the sprint cart, I'm really actually looking forward to driving that thing now. So hang in there. We'll bring you some more. Tomorrow we'll be over doing clay. I'll show you as we get started, and then I'll show you when we're done. We've already done a bunch of those videos. You guys have already seen that. So that's it from RPM East in the 178 block of Ivanhoe. God bless y'all. Godspeed. I'm praying for you. Hang in there. We love you. It'll get better.